So today I'll tell you one important concept. Most of the competitive exams and the entrance examinations, this type of questions generally they'll ask. So what is that is finding a units digit of a bigger number. Units digit of a bigger number. For example, 2024 to the power of 2024. Okay. So this year is 2025, and they may ask you 2024 to the power of 2025. What will be the units digit of this number? 2024 to the power of 2025 means it's a very big number. To find out the units digit, so we have some logics. Sometimes they'll ask like this. What is the units digit of 6 to the power of 7 plus 7 to the power of 8 plus 8 to the power of 9 plus 9 to the power of 10? What will be the units digit? Or it can be product also. 16 to the power of 16 into 17 to the power of 17 into 18 to the power of 18. What is the units digit of this product? Can you find it? See, if you don't know the logic, you cannot find the units digit. What will be the units digit of this product? Unless you guess something. Okay? So, I'll tell you how to find the units digit for this type of questions. Okay? First, let's see, suppose any number, let the number is x suppose. That number x, we have the units digit of a number will be 0. Okay? Can be 0. So any power given to this number, x to the power of n suppose. Any power given, any number ending with 0. For example, 10. 10 to the power of any power you take, it ends with 0 only. So if a number has 0 in the units place, its power also will have 0 in the units place. Suppose if the number is having 1 in the units place, its exponent or its power also ends with 1 only. If the number is ending with 6, say 5 suppose. Ending with 5, it also ends with 5 only. Units digit will be 5 only. Suppose if number is ending with 6, its exponent or its power ends with 6 only. So these, any number ending with 0, 1, 5 or 6 ends with the same digit. So units digit finding is not a problem with these numbers. Suppose if the number is ending with 4. For example, you take 24. 24 to the power of 26. It's a big number. What is the units digit of this? So to find out the units digit of a number which is ending with 4, see, it will have two chances. If you observe the powers of 4, 4 to the power of 1 is 4, 4 square is 16, 4 cube is what? 64. 4 to the power of 4 is equal to 256. If you observe the units digits, it is 4, 6, 4, 6 and so on. That means 4 and 6 will repeat. So you will get a units digit as 4 or 6. So when is 4 and when is 6? If the exponent, if the n value, if n is odd number, exponent is odd number, it ends with 4. Exponent is even number, it ends with 6. Similarly with 9. 9 also ends with 9 or 1. Okay, if the exponent is odd number, ends with 9. Even number ends with 1. So we have 10 digits. Out of 10 digits is 4 and 4, 2. 6 digits, no problem. Very simple. So next what we have to find out is the remaining numbers. Suppose if the number is ending with 2, it will have, suppose if you have a power with 2, ending with 2, suppose 12 to the power of 2025. What is the units digit of 12 to the power of 2025? To find out this one, since the number is ending with 2, if you observe the pattern of powers of 2, if you observe the power of 2, see, we have 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2, 2 square is equal to 4, 2 cube is equal to 8, 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16, 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32, and 2 to the power of 6 is equal to 64. So here we can observe clearly 2486. 2486, again 2486 it will continue. That means you are having 4 possibilities. So that 4 possibilities are 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8. After that it again repeats 2 4 8 6. 2 4 8 and 6. Again it repeats, all the 4 digits repeat. So whenever a number ending with 2, for example this number 12 to the power of 2025, what is the units digit of this? To find out, since we have 4 chances, you divide the exponent by 4. Divide the exponent by 4. You will get, we know that the 4 divisibility is just depends on the 2 digits, last 2 digits. If it is a 24, the remainder is 0. This is 25, hence you will get a remainder 1. We know the divisible rule for 4. Suppose the last 2 digits is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. So last 2 digits enough to find out the remainder. So 1 is the remainder. Since 1 is the remainder, you remember the power. So it is the remainder 1, you will get 2. Remainder 2. So remainder 3. Remainder 4. Remainder 4 means remainder 0. Okay. So when you divide a number with 4, remainders are 1, 2, 3 or 0. So when you get 0, the units digit will be 6. Remainder 3, units digit is 8. Remainder 2, units digit is 4. Remainder 1, units digit is 2. What remainder? Any number ending with 2 is given with higher exponent. This exponent should be divided by 4. Whatever the remainders you will get according to that. Just remainder is 1, you remember 2 to the power 1. Remainder is 2, 2 square. Remainder is 3, 2 cube. Remainder is 4, 2 to the power 4. Look at the digits. So that's that. Similarly, for 3 also. 3 you will get 3 to the power 1 is 3, 3 square is 9, 3 cube is 27, 3 to the power 4 is 81. So 3971 will repeat. Similarly, suppose if you have 7, then 7, 9, okay, no, 7 cube, 343, 7 to the power of 4, 7 into 3 into 7, 21, okay, 7, 9, 3, 1, this one is correct, 3 to the power of 1, 3 square 9 into 3, 27 into 3, 21, correct, 7 square 49 into 7, 7 and 63 into 7, 21, correct. So 8 if you go, 8 you will get 8 if the remainder is 1, then 4 into 8, 2, 6, you will get these values. For the number which is ending with 8 with any higher exponent, you divide that exponent by 4, you will get these values as unit digits. Now we will look at our question suppose. Now we will frame a question and see what the answer. So here for example, find the units digit of, find the units digit. Find the units digit of 12 to the power of 24 into 13 to the power of 26 into 14 to the power of 28. So this is the question suppose. We have to find out what is the units digit of this product. So first we will look at here. This is ending with 2. So it will have 4 chances. Hence the units, the exponent is 24. When you divide with 4, the remainder is 0 because 4 6 is 24. 0 means remainder 4. So remember 2 to the power of 4, 16. That means units digit is 6 into. Here it is ending with 3, so it will have 4 chances. If you divide this exponent by 4, you will get 2 as the remainder. That means remember 3 square. 3 square means 9. So 9 is the unit digit. And here it is ending with 4. It will have 2 chances only. Exponent is odd number 4, even number 6. So even number exponent. So we get 6. Now multiply these numbers simply. 6 into 6 is 36. So again 6 you will get units digit. 6 9 is 54. That means the units digit of this product is 4. That is how we can find out the units digit. It is given either product form or summation or any of the way. So we can find the units digit if you simply remember these values. Okay, thank you. So please subscribe for VY Maths. You just write VY Maths without space on YouTube and go for searching. You will get this type of videos. So which are more interesting videos you will get in the future. So please subscribe for my channel. Thank you.